Hello and welcome to Time with Lydia the Pharmacist. Today I'm going to show you 3 simple home remedies that you can use to get rid of dark circles under the eyes. These are remedies that have been tried and tested and they do work, especially if you're consistent in doing them. First of all, let's find out a bit about dark circles under the eyes. Dark circles under the eyes affect people of all ages, sexes, and races, but they are more common in people with a darker skin tone, elderly people, and people with a family history of dark circles under the eyes. There are various ways that you can get rid of dark circles under the eyes, and these include the use of home remedies, lifestyle changes, and medical treatment. Today I share with you 3 simple, amazing home remedies that can get rid of a dark circle under the eyes permanently. The first one is the use of citrus fruits, and examples are oranges, lemon, and grapefruit. These fruits are rich in vitamin C, which has got antioxidant properties and skin lightening properties. All you need to do is get yourself some fresh orange juice or fresh lemon juice and add a small amount of glycerin to form a mixture. Get a cotton ball or pad and dip it into the mixture and then apply it to the affected area. Leave it on for about 5 minutes and then clean it off with some water. You can apply this twice a day to the affected area, and this application, when done consistently over a period, can get rid of dark circles under the eyes permanently. The second home remedy that you can use to get rid of a dark circle under the eyes permanently is aloe vera. Aloe vera can lighten skin discoloration and hyperpigmentation. It provides nourishment and hydration to the skin because it is full of essential vitamins and minerals. The best way to apply aloe vera under the eyes is to apply it chilled and leave it on overnight. You would realize that because of its hydrating and cooling effect, when you wake up in the morning, your eyes will become alert and brighter. Now, the third home remedy, which probably most of us know of, is the use of cucumber. And this is one of the best ways of getting rid of dark circles under the eyes permanently. Cucumber has got both anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. Plus, it is a good source of vitamin K, which is capable of strengthening the capillaries under the eyes and making them less visible. Additionally, cucumber has got good hydrating properties because it is made up of 96% water. This allows it to hydrate the eyes and the tissues around it, leaving you looking fresh and beautiful. Now, to use cucumber to get rid of dark circles under the eyes, all you need is 2 slices of cucumber, and make sure it is peeled cucumber to get rid of any pesticides. Apply 1 slice to each eye with your head tilted or whilst lying down and leave it on for about 15 minutes. Do this as many times in the day as you can to get rid of a dark circle under the eyes permanently. Alternatively, you can form a puree with the cucumber, add some drops of lemon juice, and then apply the mixture. Leave it on for about 15 minutes and then clean it with some water. You can repeat this process as well several times in the day. So you see, these are easy to come by home remedies that you can apply to dark circles under the eyes to get rid of them permanently. I hope you have learned something new and you're going to give these simple home remedies a try. Let me know in the comment section how it goes. Please remember to give this video a thumbs up. Share with your family and friends. If you haven't yet subscribed to this channel, please hit that subscribe button and also on the notification bell so you would be amongst the first to receive any video that I upload. Leave your comments and your questions in the comment section. Thank you once again for your time today, and I hope to see you soon in the next one. Bye for now.